Imagine a vacuum that's so light, it practically floats across your floors, yet still tackles the toughest dirt and pet hair without losing suction. Introduction. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum, HV301, in gray/orange, a premium stick vacuum designed for both carpets and hard floors. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy professional, or someone who values effortless home cleaning, this vacuum could be an ideal fit. The purchase link is in the description for your convenience. Reason number 1. Ultra-lightweight design. Weighing under 9 pounds, the Shark Rocket is remarkably easy to carry, lift, and maneuver. Moving from room to room, up the stairs, or even into tight closets doesn't feel like a chore. For anyone who finds traditional vacuums cumbersome, this model makes daily cleaning far more approachable. Reason number 2. Versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. This isn't just a floor vacuum. With a quick conversion to handheld mode, you can clean furniture, shelves, and even car interiors. It's truly an all-in-one solution for whole home maintenance, allowing you to switch tasks without needing multiple devices. Reason number 3. Powerful corded performance. Unlike battery-dependent models, this vacuum provides nonstop corded suction, ensuring consistent cleaning power across carpets and hard floors. It never loses suction or power, which is crucial for deep cleaning tasks or homes with high traffic areas. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this reliability is one of its strongest points. Reason number 4. Swivel steering and fingertip controls. Maneuvering around furniture, corners, and tight spaces is effortless thanks to swivel steering. Combined with simple fingertip controls for switching between carpet and hard floor modes, the experience is intuitive and precise, making cleaning faster and less frustrating. Reason number 5. Convenient storage and easy maintenance. The vacuum's hang-on wand feature allows for compact storage, while the easy empty dust cup gets you back to cleaning in seconds. With included upholstery and crevice tools, it tackles pet hair, crevices, and upholstery without extra attachments or complicated setups. Final verdict: the Shark Rocket HV301 combines lightweight convenience, powerful corded performance, and versatile cleaning capabilities into one thoughtful package. Its few limitations, like cord length compared to some cordless models, are minor relative to its overall value. This vacuum is best suited for anyone seeking a premium, all-in-one cleaning solution that's both reliable and easy to use. It stands out for its effortless maneuverability, consistent power, and versatility. If you're ready to elevate your home cleaning experience with a vacuum you can truly rely on, check the link in the description and buy with confidence.